Heat-resistant synthetic fiber gives you the flexibility to change the style of your alternative hair without the investment of human hair. Remember that due to the delicate nature of this fiber, you must check it after every wear to prevent tangling and frizzing. Check the nape area and any place the fiber touches the body. If you see that your heat-resistant wig or topper is beginning to frizz or tangle, be sure to care for it right away by following these next steps. Place your wig on a blockhead. Insert 2 T-pins into the ear tabs and 2 into the nape. Mist 3 to 5 pumps of HD Smooth Detangler, focusing on the ends and nape. Stay away from any hand-tied portion of the cap. Conditioners and detanglers can loosen knots and can cause hair loss in any hand-tied areas. Next, use your wide-tooth comb to remove any tangles, starting at the ends, and work your way up to the base of the piece. To smooth frizz from the fiber, use a professional-grade flat iron set at 270 to 280 degrees Fahrenheit. Take 1-inch sections and mist 1 to 2 pumps of heat treat thermal spray to protect the fiber. Work your way through each section using your wide-tooth comb. Slowly flat iron through the ends, smoothing as you go. Allow the fiber to cool completely. Heat-resistant fiber allows you to create many different looks using heat styling tools. So remember, it needs extra care in between washes to keep the fiber looking its best. For more information on heat-resistant synthetic fiber and daily care, watch our playlist Wigs 101 and subscribe to our channel.